Welcome to our video about the value of a 2-penny 1993 coin. If you're a coin collector or just curious about the value of this particular coin, then you've come to the right place. The 2-penny 1993 coin is a part of the British currency and was first introduced in 1971, replacing the old 2-pence coin. The 2-penny 1993 coin features the portrait of Queen Elizabeth II on one side and the image of a wrenbird on the other. Now, if you're interested in the value of this coin, you should know that it depends on several factors, such as its condition, rarity, and demand. The condition of the coin is evaluated using a grading scale that ranges from POP to uncirculated UNC. Coins in better condition are more valuable and can fetch higher prices. Rarity is also an important factor in determining the value of a coin. Some coins are more rare than others, which means they are harder to find and, therefore, more valuable. Finally, demand plays a crucial role in the value of a coin. If there are more people looking for a particular coin, its value goes up. The 2-penny 1993 coin is not considered a rare coin, but it is still sought after by collectors. Host: so, what is the value of a 2-penny 1993 coin? Well, it depends on its condition. If the coin is in poor condition, it may be worth only a few pence. However, if the coin is in excellent condition, it could be worth up to 3-4 point host. If you're interested in selling your 2-penny 1993 coin or adding it to your coin collection, you can always consult with a coin dealer. They can evaluate your coin and give you an estimate of its value. And that's it for our video about the value of a 2-penny 1993 coin. We hope you found this information helpful. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more coin-related content.